was just a few hours before Grandpa's puppet show was going to start, and I knew he was a little nervous because Alan was late with the basket that had the pigeons in it. My friend Alan and I always help my grandpa. I have a brother who'd like to help too, but he's too little. This was going to be Ellie's big day. She's just a little clown puppet, but when she opened the basket and the pigeons flew out, she'd be the star of the show.
Oh, Alan, I'm glad you're here. Thank you. Come on in. Listen, everything that we need is in these boxes. Will you please take them? Thank you.
Okay, Alan. Okay, here's the balloon pack. The balloons are in the blue, the pins are in the yellow, okay? Okay. Take it by the handle. Got it? Hold on. Okay, be super careful. Grandpa?
Uh-huh.
When Ellie lets the pigeons go, how do you know they'll go home to Uncle Reuben?
Go home to Uncle Reuben? They don't know where else to go. These are his homing pigeons. Once they're settled to a place, you can take them 100 miles away. Let them go, and their magical instinct will always tell them how to get home. Isn't that something? Be nice if Uncle Reuben would let us use his raising pigeons once a week, wouldn't it? Oh, I forgot to fix that button. Would you fix that button for me, please, sweetheart? Would you?
Sure.
Oh, thank you. Oh, now, today we're going to have an extra act. We'll be starting at 3:45. Forget it, okay? And I'm going over to Pete's, and I'll see you at the show.
When I played with the puppets, they seemed like friends to me. I couldn't believe it. I broke Ellie's arm. I couldn't do it myself. And Ellie was the star of the show. I had to tell Grandpa. Grandpa? Grandpa?
Yes?
Something happened.
Oh?
The button you asked me to fix came off, and...
What?
Ellie's arm broke.
Oh, no. I won't have time to fix her. There's too much to do.
I guess we'll have to do without it.
Yes, so we'll have to. Don't worry. Those things will happen.
Thought I'd be Brother Greg. He knew a lot about puppets.
Hello?
Hello, Greg, listen. You know Ellie, the puppet in the bird act? Well, she's got a broken arm. And Grandpa doesn't have time to fix her. So can you?
I've got swimming practice. How bad can it be? It's just one arm, right? Couldn't you fix it yourself?
Me? I can't do stuff like that.
Look around Grandpa's shop. You'll find something. You know where Grandpa keeps all his tools?
Yeah?
He's got a book that explains how to make puppets. Maybe that'll help.
Yeah?
And you've watched how Grandpa works on his puppets.
Yeah?
And you can get John to help you. He's little, but he can do some things. You can do it, Lena. I know you can.
Yeah, maybe I can.
But tell me about the show. How's it
Hey,
going?
Greg, I can't talk. I gotta go. Well, my brother John did come to help, and I had an idea. What are you doing? Keystone Cop has a good arm. Ellie has a bad arm. We'll switch. Okay. But the idea wasn't very good. Hold this. This is not going to work. Why? The arms are just different. Why don't we go get a sling? A sling? That means I have to go out and find one. Bobby's sister broke an arm, and she had a sling. Let me go get it, please. Are you sure you can go get it? Yes, I'm sure. Please? Okay. Maybe Grandpa's puppet book would help. No, it was too hard to understand. Okay, I'll show you how I think how it will work. Wait, first you gotta get it through here because we gotta get it on your head. Maybe John's idea would work. This goes over his head. Okay, wait, I'll show you. Okay, wait, I know that's right. Put the hand through here. No. Now put the stick through here. No, put the hand first in. Well, we hoped it would work, but it didn't. Boy, did I mess this one up. Grandpa asked me to fix a button, and I end up breaking the whole arm. Why don't you go buy a new one? Buy a new one? Grandpa always makes all his things. He never buys anything. Make a new arm. Why don't we make a new arm? Yeah, and I'll try to find the button and I'll sew it on. I didn't know if we could do it, but we had to keep trying. Ellie just had to be in that show. Hey, John, I need some fabric. Oh, no, it's not enough. Now I have to go to the corner and get some more. I'll get it. You can do that? Yeah. Okay, give me some money. Okay, get 3 times as much as this. Okay? I thought maybe I could fasten Ellie's hand to the new part I made. Don't touch it. I've got another idea. John, give me the glue. Maybe with a lot of glue I could get the arm to stick on. Nothing worked, but we couldn't give up. Grandpa's show was going to start in half an hour. John, take the pigeons and go to the show. I knew I'd just have to hold it tight until the show began.
Our next act is the beginning of a very special event. Qualifying round for the gray pigeon race. These birds have all completed their basic training.
Grandpa, I fixed the arm.
Oh, how did you do that? You fixed the button, too.
No, I didn't fix the button. John fixed the button.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that.
I tried and I did it.
Oh, I'll use this puppet for show.
Is there a volunteer in the audience who can help us out?
Me! I can do it!
Well, you're certainly the most anxious of the group. Okay, you'll do. When the city announces the 4 o'clock hour, you will launch these birds into the wind. And their trainer, 100 miles away, will be waiting to see which one gets home first. Because the one who wins this race will be the entry in the final championships. Now, you have the instructions. You simply release the cover when you hear the clock strike 4, and then stand back.